Students, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. Today we are going to read our next topic, business services. This is our main heading, business services. After that, our next topic is coming inside in the business services is the insurance services. Now today we will read about the insurance services, how we are utilizing about insurance. And last lecture I had told about the banking and banking services. But now in this topic we will read about the insurance services. Dear students, we know very well about insurance. You have a bike, car, four-wheeler, anyone should be there. On that time we are taking insurance. Per year we are going to take insurance of their particular vehicle. This is a very important part. That's why insurance companies are providing us services. For these services we are providing them premium. We are submitting premium. Behalf of that we are getting services from these companies. Okay. For example, we can say bike insurance. When we are taking, this is the service of the insurance companies. For example, we are taking our insurance, then we are also taking service of the companies. That one is called business services. In that we have to read our topic insurance service. So now come here and we have to learn about the insurance services. Insurance is a contract between the insured and insured. This is the important thing. Suppose for example this is a contract between me and the company. Suppose when you have to take an insurance of your bike, it is a contract between you and the insurance company in which insured agrees to make a goods and loss of insured on happening of any event in consideration of a regular payment is called premium. So listen once again, when we are taking insurance of any goods and services from the company, we are submitting premium, annual premium. Behalf of that, companies are taking services and providing us services, and it's a contract basis. Suppose any will happen, incident, accident, or any case should be there, then they have to contract, they have to pay services, they have to give you goods and services. That one is a contract between insurance company and me. Otherwise we can say it is a contract between insured and insured. Okay, once again you have to listen. This is the process. Behalf of that we are doing insurance. Once again listen in Hindi. इंश्योरेंस कंपनियां बाजार में हमें अगर सर्विस प्रदान करती हैं तो उसके लिए वो प्रीमियम लेती हैं. प्रीमियम मीन्स पैसा. हर साल हमें इंश्योरेंस करवाना होता है. हमारे और कंपनी के बीच में ये समझौता है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है. अगर कोई घटना, दुर्घटना या कोई हैपेंड होता है, ठीक है, तो वो सारी संभावनाओं से वो कंपनी समझेगी. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टेकन इंश्योरेंस एंड वी आर पेइंग मनी फॉर दैट. दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड दिस टाइप्स ऑफ इंश्योरेंस सर्विसेज. बिहाफ ऑफ दैट वी आर वर्किंग इन द एटमॉस्फेयर इन द मार्केट. This is the process of companies. Now the important term I have written. What is the process going on in the insurance company? I had told first one is the insured and insured. First we have to note it is the individual. First one listen, insured. It is the individual, okay, or from firm. Know the insurance company which agree to compensate the loss of the insured. Means between that we know very well here companies are bounded to provide each and everything. When you have to take an insurance services, then any happen will be there. The companies are bounded to provide your loss. In second here, insured in the individual or firm who get compensation of loss, insured pays regular amount of the premium. When we are going to take these types of premium, we are paying amount. Regular we are paying amount. Once again we can able to say per year we are giving insurance payment. Suppose you have a bike, then you are taking insurance each and every year. Okay, that's why we are paying our amount to the companies, and companies are providing each and everything. After that happening of the event, if any happen should be there with the help of your bike, your car, the company will be deal each and every conditions and each and every positions. Suppose in case of that you had lost your car, a lot of problems you are facing, your car is destroyed, then insurance company will deal it. Insurance company will provide you once again maintain car, but he will not give a new car. He will provide you same car with the help of repairing. He will repair it. If condition should be there, then he will give once again new. But first he will complete the same process. आपके पुराने कार को वो मैन्युफैक्चर करेगा, न्यू नहीं बनाएगा, उसी को रिपेयर करके once again he will provide you. It refers the subject matter, the policies of the kinds of losses converted under the policies. For example, we can say in the fire insurance, something should be happened in the fire insurance. The company is there taken insurance services and he is taking premium each and every year. So this company will deal your losses. Now next one is the premium. When we are taking services of these types of insurance companies, we are submitting premium. Per year we are providing premium. After that we are getting these types of services from these companies. That's why it should be very important part of that. Once again, sir, the important terms are given. When you are going to take service of the insurance company will take the premium amount, and there is a contract between you and insurance company. If any accident will happen, any fault will happen, the losses will deal with the help of insurance company. That's why we are paying premium of the insurance. This is the importance of insurance company in this time. That's why we are taking insurance. So insurance is a very important part of our daily life and an important part of business services. So now we have to know what is the principle of insurance. Principle of insurance. So according to that we can able to know this is the importance of business and this is the importance of insurance companies. First one is given principle of utmost good faith. In that we can able to that according to the principle, insurance is a controlled based on the faith. Okay, the insured and insurance will must disclose the material fact each other, and the both faculties should be hide and fact related to insurance policies. Each and every thing should be the faith of view. We have to faith on the company and company will faith on you. Behalf of that we can able to work in company in the proper way, and this is the contract. Behalf of that there is the faith between there in the company's rule and regulation and with you also. Next one is given in front of you. Principle of insurable interest. According to the principle, the insured must have insurable. Behalf of that, interest is the subject matter the insurance policy. When we have taken insurance policy, behalf of that we are getting our profit. Suppose we have a bike and we have taken insurance of that. if any happen will be there, you have to get service from the company. Okay, this is the business services and principle of insurable interest. Next one is their principle of anonymity. In that condition, according to the principle of insurance, is not a contract of making profit. Okay, behalf of that we can say it is not a contract of making a profit. It is the purpose to insurance being back the insured in the same financial position as he was believed the loss. Once again your deletion. Here business services, bank, insurance companies are giving you business services. They are not working for your profit motive. They are working to identify your materials. Suppose for example, you had purchased your bike. After 4 years accident will happen, then company will evaluate first what is the valuation of your bike after 4 years. According to that you have to get your loss. Okay, after that next one is given principle of contribution. The principle of contribution is a control of the principle of indemnity. According to the principle, it is a personal has taken more and one insurance policy for the some object matter, then all the insurance will contributed by amount of loss and compensated with the help of actual amount of losses. Behalf of that we can say what is the contribution of the company, what is the contribution of your damages the company will provide you. Suppose for example I had told, if your bike is a 5-year 10-year old, then according to evaluation of the damage they have to provide. They will not give you the new bike. According to your insurance and contract, you will get repair, otherwise damage rupee. How much damage you have gotten? According to that you have to get. Next one is given principle of sub-organization. So now next topic is given in front of you, principle of sub-organization. According to the principle, after paying the compensation, insured steps are those is the insured. Here is a lot of steps are there. Behalf of that we are working. When we are following each and every step, behalf of that we can able to take our damage rupees. Next one is given principle of causes proxima. In that, according to the principle of causes, the region of the losses is related to the subject matter of insurance of the contract. This is the reality. According to contract, we are making our business services with the help of insurance company. Each and everything should be written in your paper. What you are getting from the insurance company when you are paying your premium, it should be written. And next one is the principle of mitigation of loss. According to the principle of insured must take care the property and subject matter, okay, of the insurance of the same way he would be take care without taking insurance policies. According to that we have to take insurance policies of each and every material. What is the given for you? Same you have to give mitigation of the losses. Suppose I had told you have a bike and you had taken insurance of that particular bike, then you will get premium. You are getting premium every year and you are paying for that. If any happen will happen with the help with your bike, any accidents will be there, then how much loss you are getting, how much damage you are getting, you can able to take the help of insurance companies. This is the contract between you and company. The company will provide you your losses. With the help of that we can able to know each and everything. This is the importance and principle of insurance company. Now we will read how many types of insurance we are taking how many types of insurance we are utilizing. So now next topic is that. Now you have to write it and make a note. And now next topic is so this is the next topic. I had it in front of you, insurance. Before that, I had explained about the insurance and what is the insurance policies, how we are taking insurance of the companies, what is the importance and principle of the insurance. I told before 5 minutes. Okay. Now in this next topic, what I had in front of you, say insurance. How many types the companies are providing us insurance? How many types of insurance we can able to take, and how many types of insurance faculties we are facing. So now I have written in front of you insurance and its subtopics in front of you. So in front of you I have written first topic is the life insurance, second one is the fire insurance, third one is the marine insurance, and last health insurance. These types of insurance we can able to take from business services with the help of insurance services. Insurance companies are providing lot of services, and in front of you I have written 4 types of services. Which all services insurance companies are providing us. First one is written in front of you, life insurance. We will read about the life insurance. Life insurance is related with the 2 types of risk. First one is the risk of dying too early. Second, the risk of dying too late. Behalf of that 2 types of insurance we can able to take. For example, we can able to take life insurance policy our also, babies also, any others also. Behalf of that we can able to pay premium. If premium is completed, you are stay alive, then you will get full maturity of the amount with the help of interest also. But sudden, suppose for example someone had started his LIC policy and after some month and some year he had died, then he will get full maturity what the insurance company had written in his contract. That's why we are taking these types of life insurance policies. Okay, in front of you I have written whole life insurance policy. Okay, investment life assume policy. Endurance. Behalf of that we can able to know each and everything what we are getting with the help of LIC companies. Okay, these companies are providing us life insurance. Generally people take life insurance policy when they have to fear to die too early. Once again listen, generally people take life insurance policy when they have to fear to die too early. When we are fearing we will die earlier, that's why we are taking life insurance. Because for example, who had taken premium life insurance, if he will die before the time, then his family will get that particular amount. That's why they are taking LIC. They are taking life insurance to provide financial support to their families. They take their insurance policies. Once again listen, जो आदमी डरता है कि मैं समय से पहले कहीं मेरी डेथ ना हो जाए, तो वो अपने फाइनेंशियल स्रोत को, अपने परिवार की आर्थिक स्थिति को मजबूत रखने के लिए लाइफ इंश्योरेंस करता है। लाइफ इंश्योरेंस वो इसलिए करता है क्योंकि वो डरता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि वो अगर सडन कहीं कुछ हो जाती है घटना दुर्घटना, तो उसके परिवार का ख्याल कैसे होगा, ध्यान कैसे होगा। बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस टाइप्स ऑफ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस वी कैन एबल टू टेक प्रीमियम एंड there is a financial support for the families. Once again listen, Generally, people takes the life insurance policy when they have to fear during to die early, and they are taking this life policy to provide financial support to their family to take life insurance policy. Financial support they are providing. That's why they are taking these types of life insurance. Next one is given in front of you, fire insurance. What is the meaning of fire insurance? For example, I had opened a shop, company and big business, then we have to need fire insurance. Suppose any accident will happen in your company, the total material, raw material and manufacturing, each and everything will be destroyed. Okay, so when we have to claim, nobody will be help you, but when you have taken life fire insurance, then company had to claim for a fire insurance to insurance company. The company will give financial support according to his contract. What is the specialist things written in the contract? Fire insurance is the contract under which one party is returned for the consideration agree to identify the other party for this financial loss which the latter may suffer due to damage of property. These all damages we can able to get from insurance companies. That's why we are taking insurance services. For example, if any business organization is there and fire accident will happen, then each and everything will be destroyed. With the help of fire insurance, he will get his goods and services and his losses once again recover. He can able to recover once again with the help of fire insurance. That's why it is a very important part of the fire insurance provide protection against the losses or damage. Fire insurance is providing each and every losses and damages what we are getting by the fire. With the help of that we are getting each and every losses. In हिंदी एप्लीकेशन, अगर हमारी कंपनी में कभी आग के द्वारा कोई ऐसी दुर्घटना या घटना होती है जिसमें हमारे जितने भी गुड्स और सर्विसेज या सामानों का नुकसान होता है, जो भी डैमेजेज आते हैं, उस डैमेजों की भरपाई करने के लिए या हमारे घाटों की भरपाई करने के लिए हम फायर इंश्योरेंस को करते हैं, फायर इंश्योरेंस कराते हैं। फायर इंश्योरेंस की सहायता से हमारी जो भी दुर्घटना हुई है, लॉसेस हुए हैं, उसकी भरपाई की जाती है। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, मैरीन इंश्योरेंस। A contract of marine insurance can be defined as an agreement under the insured and subrogation about the manner of the creating aggregate and what is the given according to the situation. We have to get once again with the help of marine insurance. Marine insurance is a contract between insured and insurer. Behalf of that we can say the insured man cargo owner is the ship owner is the front revenue should be there. Here I read in front of you, cargo is the owner of the shipping corporation. He is the taking each and everything as a insurance. Behalf of that, when the cargo is going from one place to another place, if you are getting any loss, that company will provide your goods and services. With the help of that, marine insurance should be there. With the help of that, we can able to get our each and every losses behalf of marine insurance. And last one is given in front of you, health insurance. What is the health insurance? Health insurance means स्वास्थ्य बीमा। आप अपने शरीर की स्वस्थता बनाए रखने के लिए जो बीमा करते हैं उसे स्वास्थ्य बीमा कहते हैं। Health insurance provides the payment of medical expenses. With the help of health insurance, we are getting each and every facilities when we are not feeling well. Once again, relation, health insurance provides for payment of medical expenses in the case of healing. When you have to be ill, each and every expenses, then health insurance will provide you. With the help of that, basis medical expenditure you will get, major medical expenditure you will get, long term hospitalization is also there, then you will also get medical supplements you will get, and distributability income will also will be there. ये सारी चीज़ें जो 5 फीचर हम बताए हैं ये हमारे हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के अंतर्गत आते हैं। ये सारी चीज़ें हम हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के अंतर्गत पा सकते हैं। वंस अगेन लिसन, व्हाट इज द 5 टॉपिक्स? फर्स्ट वन इज बेसिक मेडिकल एक्सपेंडिचर, सेकेंड वन मेजर मेडिकल एक्सपेंडिचर, थर्ड वन लॉन्ग टर्म हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन, एंड फोर्थ medical supplements, and fifth disability income. Behalf of that we can able to take this health insurance. So dear students, in front of you I have told insurance services, importance of insurance services, and principle. Now insurance companies, how we are getting insurance with the help of these process. I have told 4 topics in front of you: life insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance, and health insurance. According to that, you have to revise your topic, make a note, and revise. And one important thing should be here: you have to share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.